Hey guys, I'm Alec with Hennessey Performance, and today we're out here on the Pennzoil Proving Ground looking at this brand new 2025 Chevrolet Suburban with our H600 upgrade on it. Now, with the 2025 Tahoe, you get a brand new exterior, updated, that looks absolutely incredible, as well as an updated interior with new tech features, upgraded materials, and a heap of value. Underneath the hood of the H600, you have a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that produces 625 horsepower, 633 pound-feet of torque. All that power is put to the ground through GM's 10-speed automatic transmission. Aside from the supercharged V8, the H600 gets a heap of exterior upgrades to make sure that the cars look as good as they sound. Up front, you've got Brembo 6-piston performance brakes with our 24-inch gloss black wheels, new tires, a lowered suspension so that these vehicles ride and look just as good on the road as they do on the track. The best part of the H600 upgrade is it comes with Hennessey's world-renowned 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty that works in tandem with your factory Chevrolet warranty. If you want more information on the H600 package, or if you want photos to see this build up close, head to HennesseyPerformance.com. We have a heap of assets, or give us a call. Our team is here on standby to help you find your dream H600 build. And if you're a dealer watching this and you want part of this business, give our team a call. We're looking to add dealers to our growing network to make these vehicles more accessible to our customers in new markets. Until next time, we'll catch you in the fast lane.
Hennessey's awesome, and tuner school is awesome.